Hey, welcome back to Stevie Tech. This is the channel where we do app highlights and game shoutouts every week. As always, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe so you can stay up to date with the newest one. Now, let's go ahead and start off our app highlight here. This one's going to be a photo editing app called LightX. Now, this is actually a really nice app here, so let's pull this up and we'll show you what some examples here with a picture. As always, the link is down in the description. We've got a random picture here of some people in a pool. Now, as you can see, you can go in and you can add on your different filters here that you typically get those kinds of things with Instagram, stuff like that. Now, as you can see, there's quite a few to choose from. Now, I do want to take this time to let you know this app, it is free. There is a pro version that you can purchase. But as you can see, we'll go ahead and check out the next tool here. This is the next option you can go through. It's the artistic mode. And then the next one here is called selfie. Now, with this one, of course, you do have to have a selfie here, and you can go and you can edit different things. But as you can see, just kind of playing around with it to give you an idea of how the app itself works. Now, we'll go ahead and we'll zoom in here and kind of give you an idea, see if we can do anything with this. But you do have, of course, you have your brush. Get your zoom. See, I don't think there's really too much that we can do with the selfie aspect, not with this picture. So we'll go ahead and move on to the next one there, which is just your basic transform. Gives you the ability to crop, rotate the image, you can flip it, things of that effect. We'll go ahead and flip it over to this side. And let's see here. Go ahead and save that. Go into the next one. Well, let's go into focus. With this one, you can kind of blur out the things in the background so that you can highlight a certain individual, like this one, or this one, for example. And it kind of makes sure that your eyesight is drawn to that one, because of course it is the clearer image. We'll go ahead and we'll go into the next one here, which is the ability to cut different things out of the picture. So we'll go ahead and we'll highlight a certain area. And of course, just kind of go in and we'll use this as an example for you. But we can go ahead and we can highlight all of this. Now it's going to go in and it's going to cut out the portion that we have highlighted so that we can continue to use it. And we'll give you just a quick example here. Let's see. And that's what we've got to work with now. So of course, like I said, you can go and you can actually select different things and individuals and actually cut them out of the picture completely. But for this sake, we're not going to save this, so we can continue to move on to some of the other options here. Next one can go through the collage option, which you can actually go into what we call freestyle, which you can pick different shapes and things. And like you can see, we've got the diamond, we've got stars, we even got hearts, flowers, just about anything you can think of. But you can go in, you can move the picture around, you can highlight just certain aspects of it, and of course you can create some pretty nice collages that you can use for your social media and things like that. But as you can see here, here's a kind of a flower design, and we can go in and select different places on the picture there to go ahead and go through. Now, of course, we can even edit these collage designs further. We'll take this flower one, for example, and show you this really interesting border option we can apply to it here. As you can see, we can do that. We can even go in and change the color of the border, as you can see, and we can go ahead and change the opacity so that you can see the different things in there. We'll go ahead and we'll pop back out here. As you can see, there are these ads that do pop up occasionally because it is a free app. And again, you do have the ability to go in and purchase the app. So you can actually access the magic eraser as well as what they call the magic brush. But for the sake of this video, it's just the free option. Now we do have the frames here that you can go in and actually add as well. And again, just using this picture, we can get different portions and parts of it. But we'll go in and show some different things as well here. Now you can add on the different flare effects here, things like that. It's very similar to the lens distortion I went over on a previous video, except it does not go nowhere near as the detail. But as you can see, you can definitely get some nice pictures, get everything customized the way that you want it. Now this is one of my favorite options here, is being able to go in and actually reshape the image. Kind of gives it that nice blur effect, kind of distorts everything. Put you in mind of a lot of different, destroyed kind of pictures, things like that. But I thought that was really nice and nifty in that app as well. Now we'll go ahead and we'll go into another one here, which kind of gives you the ability to go in and check that out. Now each one of these things also, up at the top of the screen there on the right, there's going to be an option that says tutorial, and you can click on that to check out all of those things. But this is going to let you go in and, of course, change your red, green, and blue levels throughout the picture and get it adjusted just the way that you want it to be. Now the next one we'll pop in here is going to be this one, which of course, as you can see, and there's a little tutorial video, it kind of does the same thing, just in a different manner with the light balance, with the lights and the shadows. And you can go in and kind of tweak those just to get the picture exactly the way that you want it. So of course it does have those nice features there for you as well. And to be free, I mean, you actually have quite a lot of different things that you can go in and do with the app. And I really like that about this. Now with this, we'll go ahead and check out a couple other things real quick. Now on here, we'll go ahead and look down through the settings one more time for you. Now this is where I was talking about. You can get the Pro version. It is $1.99. Of course, for the sake of this video, we went ahead and just did the free version for you. But this does go over again what it does unlock. So let's see here. Go ahead and go out of this. Now, as always, I do want to make sure that you go ahead and check out my other videos. If you click on the box here in the video, you can go to the rest of my app highlight collection. And I want to thank you guys for watching. Definitely follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and a like would definitely be appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with my latest videos. Thanks.